Okay, this video isn't going to be anything fancy or special. I uploaded it to my Instagram story as well as my YouTube stories, but it was so important that I had to save it and make it into a full-on video for you guys. So I highly suggest that you watch it. I'm going to keep it there. It's not edited. It's not anything fancy. But again, the message I'm telling you is worth its weight in gold. So here it goes. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm sitting here working on some stuff for Janie Sweets, and there's a comment that somebody posted on one of my YouTube videos that got me upset. I don't know why. I don't know if they meant it in a mean way or anything like that, but for some reason, like, I went up to tell her, look here, but then I was like, let me just breathe and answer nicely. So anyway, it was my last video. It was the don't or watch this before you quit your baking business. And if you haven't seen the video, you definitely should, so it puts into context what I'm about to talk about here. But basically, all the video said is, look, you know, like, it takes time. Like, I explain why you should be patient. And I also shared that it took me a long time from the first time I ever made a cake to the time I felt comfortable enough to sell to strangers. It took me a long time. It took me like 4 years or something, I think. And he or she commented, well, if it took you that long, you must have not been putting in the work. And I was like, girl, for real, you don't know my life. You don't know my struggles. You don't know me. But no, I'm just kidding. I didn't say that. I responded nicely in a Christian way, as my friend Diana would say. But no, and I thought to myself, well, is something wrong with me? Like, you know, did I do something wrong? Should it not take me that long to sell? And I just stopped and thought about it. No. Like, seriously, it takes a long time. Like, these things take practice, and you should just never compare your journey to somebody else's journey. If it takes you 10 years to make cakes and sell them, like, then that's what it takes. If it takes, you know, Betty down the street 4 years, 3 years, 1 year, then that's just that. I mean, you really should never compare your journey to somebody else's. And guys, I'm gonna say this, and I really mean it. I'm no expert, okay? I am not an expert. I know you guys watch a lot of my YouTube videos and you enjoy my Friday Fixes tips. And honestly, y'all, I am just like you, okay? I am a cake decorator who is trying to figure it out in this ever-changing baking world. Like, I'm doing this from home. There's no blueprint for it. Like, I am learning as I go. Everything that I share are, honestly, they're not like, you should do this and you should do that, and if you follow this formula, you'll have this magical unicorn perfect cake business. Honestly, you guys, no one has it all, okay? Even the most like experienced cake decorators that you can think of on YouTube or even just in real life, they have the same struggles that you do. They started somewhere just like you did. It's just, and this advice goes to me as well. Don't you ever make someone or let someone make you feel bad for your journey, okay? Let me come in closer so you can hear me. Don't you ever let someone make you feel bad for your journey. Your journey is yours alone, and that is that, okay? Okay, you know what? Actually, I'm about to save these videos and then post them on YouTube as a video because everybody needs to hear that, okay? Doesn't matter how long it took you or how long it is taking you to become where you want to be. Your journey is yours alone, and forget everybody else, okay? All right. That being said, happy Wednesday. Mwah.